What's up, Dough Masters? Welcome back to episode 3 of season 2 of Roll for Sourdough, the chaotic baking series where I let the dice control my loaves. And we are back with another episode. It's been a little bit. I've been doing farmers markets, but I am back to doing what I love, and that is making content for you guys. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get in. As always, use Die Hard dice, get some amazing dice, and you can roll dice as well. And here we go with the Wild Magic roll, and we roll a 6, so we will have Wild Magic today. So something crazy is bound to happen. But let's get in and see what kind of dough we will be making today. And we rolled a 13, so we're just gonna have a regular loaf today. But as you saw in the preview, I decided to do something crazy. We'll get to that in a bit. But let's see what kind of seasonings we're gonna have in this loaf. And we start with a country gravy pack. It's gonna add some fat to the dough. And then we got Cajun seasoning. You know, they work together. I usually put Cajun seasoning on my meat when I make biscuits and gravy. So I'm excited. I think it's good. Let's get into the inclusions. And we have crushed chips. It's been a few times we've had them, so, you know, they usually work out. And then peanut butter. Now, that's a little bit of a curveball, but I think we'll figure something out. And let's see what the Wild Magic has in store for us today. And we get the 9, which is crushed crackers in place of some of the flour. So here we go. I'm filling up the bowl with the flour, and I decided that I wanted to put the peanut butter and crackers together, so I got Ritz peanut butter crackers, ground them up, replace some of the flour, and then I got some Stubbs chips, the best in the world. Go try them if you haven't. Crush those up, get them into the bowl as well. Everything's just going in right away. There goes the Cajun seasoning. Here comes the country gravy. I'm just getting everything in the bowl, and then here we come with my stiff starter, because, you know, stiff starters work a little better than liquid starters. Fight me in the comments. But here we go, and here it is after it's been all mixed and stretched. It feels great. It's holding great. The worst part is the great value corn chips. They are the worst chips. Trust me, don't ever get them. Spend a little more money and get Fritos. But anyways, here it is getting wrapped up and ready for its long journey of proofing. But here it is after proofing for about 6 hours on my counter. It got nice and fluffy. The dough is great. Honestly, I am very surprised by how good the dough is. And I decided that I wanted to test making sourdough flights, so this is my test in it. Making them in a jumbo muffin pan. I wanted to see how they turn out, and they turn out amazing. Like, look at these things. They look great. They get nice and golden brown. This dough is smelling like barbecue chips, and it looks great. But, you know, that means it is time to get into it. So here we are opening the loaf, and it's steamy, and it's good. And you can see the little chips bit still inside. And it's time to take a bite and see how good it actually turned out. And, you know, I was a little surprised on how good it is. You get literally every flavor. You get the gravy, you get the chips, you get the peanut butter crackers, you get the Cajun seasoning. It's all there. It worked together. The dough was nice and fluffy. It's everything you wanted. And then you add a little butter, and it really made it a really good bread. Without butter, it's about a 6. And then with butter, it goes up to about a 7 or 8. But this is it. I call this the Cajun Cracker Jack. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.